Easy Anti-Cheat, or EAC, is a background anti-cheat tool used in popular multiplayer games to detect unauthorized modifications that could give players an unfair advantage. The EAC Not Installed Corrupt error prevents games from launching when EAC fails to load properly due to file corruption, permission issues, or system conflicts. This error often stems from EAC's inability to access necessary system resources or encountering corrupted files during installation or updates. This video provides quick fixes to resolve these issues and get you back in the game. First, always run the game as an administrator. Right-click the game's executable file and select Run as Administrator. Next, verify the game's file integrity through your game launcher. On Steam, right-click the game, go to Properties, then Local Files, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. On Epic Games Launcher, click the three dots next to the game, then Verify. This process checks for and replaces any corrupted or missing EAC files. If verifying integrity doesn't work, manually reinstall Easy Anti-Cheat. Start by navigating to your game's installation directory, usually under Steam Apps for Steam games or Epic Games folder for Epic titles. Once in the directory, find the Easy Anti-Cheat folder. This contains the necessary files for the anti-cheat system. Inside the folder, locate and run the Easy Anti-Cheat setup.exe file or similar executable. This will open the setup window. In the setup window, choose Uninstall first to remove any corrupted components, then select Install to perform a clean installation. This process replaces potentially corrupted files and resets Easy Anti-Cheat's configuration, ensuring proper functionality. Antivirus software sometimes falsely identifies Easy Anti-Cheat components as threats because of EAC's kernel-level access for security checks. Common programs that cause conflicts include Bitdefender and Norton. To fix this, whitelist the EAC folder and your game executable in your antivirus settings. For Windows Defender, go to Exclusions and add file or folder exceptions. Other antivirus programs like AVG have similar exceptions sections. Always refer to your software's documentation for specific instructions on adding exclusions or whitelisting files. Excluding EAC prevents it from being quarantined or blocked, allowing the anti-cheat to function properly. Outdated drivers and operating systems can cause compatibility issues with Easy Anti-Cheat. Ensure your graphics drivers are up to date by downloading the latest versions from NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel's websites. Similarly, keep your Windows operating system updated by going to Settings, then Update and Security, then Windows Update and checking for updates. Install any pending updates and restart your computer. Overclocking software and RGB lighting control programs can sometimes interfere with Easy Anti-Cheat. These tools modify system settings or access hardware that EAC monitors, potentially triggering errors. For overclocking software like MSI Afterburner, disable any active overclocking settings either through your BIOS or directly in the software interface. This prevents hardware modifications that could conflict with EAC's kernel-level checks. RGB control programs such as Corsair iCUE and Razer Synapse manage lighting effects for peripherals. These programs can create system-level conflicts by accessing device drivers and system resources that EAC also monitors. To resolve this, close any running RGB software completely before launching your game. This ensures no background processes interfere with EAC's operation and reduces the chance of corruption errors. If basic fixes fail, check for corrupted system files. Open Command Prompt as administrator and run the command sfc scanow. This scans and repairs corrupted system files. Also, ensure EAC has the necessary permissions by checking the folder's security settings. Right-click the EAC folder, go to Properties, Security, and ensure that your user account has full control permissions. If the troubleshooting steps haven't resolved your EAC error, it's time to seek further support. Start by checking the game's official forums, where developers often share solutions for common issues. Next, contact the game's support team directly. Fill out their support ticket with detailed information about your system specifications and all the steps you've already tried. Finally, visit the Easy Anti-Cheat support website for additional assistance and official guidance on resolving complex issues.